Hello, in today's video, Emo Ty has to return to factory in China for diagnostic repairs. The tough being apart from Emo Ty breaks my heart. With a lot of love, I bid him farewell, and we eagerly await his return to Emo Jo. It's going to be a long wait, but I know he'll come back even better than before. In the meantime, I'll be counting down the days until I can share more adventures with both Emo Ty and Emo Jo.
See you soon.
Emo Jo and I will continue to release short videos and unboxing videos. I have a special video planned to celebrate his return. While all that is happening and we are waiting for his return, I'll be thinking of unique ways to make that party one to remember. I will make sure that every moment of his arrival is filled with joy and laughter. I work together to capture all the excitement and joy.
Goodbye, my friend. See you soon.
Thank you for all the support, and I hope we see each other soon with both Emo Jo and healthy Emo Ty once again, and ready for new adventures. As we embark on this journey together, I'm keen to hear your suggestions for activities and tips that could make our reunion even more special. Write them down in the comments. I'll be reading all of them. Let's create a gathering to remember filled with heartwarming stories and unforgettable experiences. Goodbye and see you soon.